Now welcome to your beautiful home.
Metro Guide Realty, your Metro Manila real estate guide, brings you our latest open house tour for a spacious, brand new 5-bedroom house and lot for sale in a centrally located community in BF Homes, Paranaque City, Metro Manila. So here are perspectives of this well-designed home with a spacious garden, and join us as we begin this property tour.
Hi, this is Jake Bautista from Metro Guide Realty and welcome to our latest open house tour for a brand new 5-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in BF Homes, Paranaque City, Metro Manila. So right now we're gonna tour you through this beautiful home, but before we do that, let's take a quick look at this property's features.
Beginning with the property size, it has a spacious floor area of 420 square meters and a considerable lot area of 390 square meters. For the specific home features, it has 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a 4-car garage, a high living room ceiling, 2 balconies, a main living area, a formal dining space, a patio area, a spacious landscape garden, an open kitchen design, an auxiliary kitchen, a master walk-in closet, a service area, a maid's room, and a driver's room, and all with a prime lot size with fast access to commercial establishments, Sukat Road, and Alabang. Now let's begin.
On a beautiful summer day, let's go. Upon entering the home, you're welcomed by a spacious 4-car garage. You can really appreciate the size of this carport from this angle. It has a high ceiling and this elevated area over here serves as your driver's quarters. And if you take a look at this area, upon entering the gate, you can actually fit a 5th car if you'd like to. And now let's head on over to the main entrance. Now welcome to your beautiful home. Upon entering the home, you're welcomed by this well-lit hallway leading to a bright and open living space with a high ceiling.
The highlight of the main living space is the high ceiling, which gives it a very bright, open, and welcoming atmosphere.
You have multiple windows extending across the second level of the home, giving a lot of natural light to this open and spacious area which you can use as an entertainment space for your guests. And it leads to a spacious dining area with access to a garden. And from here you see that it has a well-designed open concept which gives you access to a spacious main kitchen. If you're in the second level of the home, across the hallway of the bedrooms, you can see that you have a great view of the living space. And from here, your living area is further enhanced by access leading to a spacious patio area. This space makes for a great extension of the living area. You can have a couple of tables and chairs over here, make this a game area. You can have a coffee table over here and even make it an alfresco dining space. And from here, you have access to a spacious garden. From this perspective, you can really appreciate the size of this greenery. You have a storage area here with a water tank and a pressure tank. And from here, you can see that you have a balcony running across the second level of the home with a great view of the garden. And from here, you have access to your main dining area. The dining area is quite spacious that you can even fit a table for up to 10 people here. It has beautiful cove lighting, and this archway actually gives you the option to have a glass door here if you'd like to install one after you purchase the property. And that's why there's an additional swinging door over here leading to the kitchen. But you can also access it from here.
The open kitchen design makes the ground floor appear even larger and contributes to its expansive ambiance.
Your main kitchen welcomes you with this beautiful white granite countertop, which allows you to have an informal dining area. You can have a couple of stools over here, and you can see from this angle how well designed the room is with this space which you can have your stove in, and it has access here leading outside to your utility space. You have a space already here which is custom designed to fit a large refrigerator. And from here, you have an additional auxiliary kitchen. So you can see that this is already a separate dirty wet kitchen in itself. You can already have another stove or another refrigerator here, and here you have a room for your maid. Let's now head on outside through this access door leading to your utility area. So from here, you can have an additional dirty kitchen over here. This can be your laundry space. It has access leading to your garden. And on the other way, you have access leading to your parking space. Now let's head back in. After touring the living, dining, kitchen, and garden space, let's now take a look at the first floor bedroom. Let's go. So you have fast access to it upon entering the home. You can see that it's very spacious and oriented towards the front of the house, so you can also use this as a home office or as an additional playroom, entertainment room, or living room extension as a den. And here you have access to a bathroom, which can also be accessed from the hallway as a guest bathroom. To summarize, one of the beautiful aspects of this property is how open it feels. From the living, open kitchen, dining, patio, and garden area, it really makes you feel like there's so much space. And now let's head on over to the second level of the home where you have 4 bedrooms. Let's go. Here's a great perspective of your living area coming from the second floor hallway. And from here, you have access to the 4 bedrooms. And let's begin with the master bedroom. This master bedroom is so spacious that it appears like it's 2 standard rooms that have been combined into one. You can have a large king-sized bed over here and plenty of space left over for additional storage or even a small couch. You even have a space here for cabinetry on 2 sides of the room. And you have a west-facing balcony where you can relax in the mornings or in the afternoons. And now let's take a quick look here at the master bathroom. The master bathroom is very elegant with a single-piece mirror covering these two vanities. And you already have your shower enclosure that's about to be installed in the next few days. It's spacious enough to have these two rows of cabinetry. And you even have a dresser space here. And in the future, you can potentially reconfigure the room to have a bathtub if you'd like because of its size. And now let's head on out. Let's now take a look at the third bedroom. The third bedroom is spacious enough to serve as a master bedroom for other properties. And it also has this cabinetry that's custom built for it. And you also have a space here where you can mount a television set. And just to add, the third and fourth bedrooms that we are going to view next have a shared bathroom. It's time to take a look at the fourth and fifth bedrooms of this property, which are some of the highlights of the second level of the home. The fourth bedroom of the property is a corner room facing the east side of the property. It also has plenty of storage space. And it's oriented towards a spacious balcony here in the second floor. Let's take a look. One of the best features of this property is this large balcony extending across the two bedrooms here in the second floor. You can actually have an additional table over here and relax in the afternoons. So the afternoon sun is on the other side of the house and we're shooting this right after lunch and it's already very cool here. And from here you also have access to the fifth bedroom. Let's take a look. Your fifth bedroom is another corner room and it's oriented once again to the east side of the property, so it's very cool in the afternoons. And it's differentiated from the third and fourth bedrooms by the color of the cabinetry. So it's still a very elegant design and you even have a dresser area here as well. And it comes with its own bathroom. So we'd also like you to experience what it's like to take a look at your balcony from the fifth bedroom. So you have a great view of the open space in your garden below. Okay. So that ends our quick property tour video of this beautiful 5-bedroom home. We hope you enjoyed that quick property tour video of this brand new 5-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in BF Homes, Paranaque City. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. If you want to be notified of our future videos, just click that like button and that subscribe button. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista from Metro Guide Realty. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Here's one more look at this brand new 5-bedroom house and lot for sale in BF Homes, Paranaque City, Metro Manila. Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.